uLondilanda ngiyomela ukuthi ayehle and ayehle very fast kule ndaba yakhe yama-podcast because amyehlisa isithunzi. Sanibonani Dumelang, I hope ukuthi right, I hope ukuthi niphilile. Hayi uLondilanda kula malanga uyatrenda untombo left and right and center, and especially after lento le ayikhulumile ngomunye umuntu wesifazane uDineo Mulwisane. So it was during i-podcast and chill, right? So uLondilanda wayehlezi laphayana no Mac G and Soul Penduka, and they were talking, and uLondilanda decided ukuthi uzokhuluma ngoDineo unprovoked. So she decided to hop igama lika Dineo, and then Mac G is asking, who is this Dineo that you're talking about? Soul Penduka answered. Soul Penduka wapendula wati Dineo man is an influencer, Instagram, Londilandan type of a girl. And then uLondi decided ukuphendula uSoul to say, hayibo wamfanisa nami, hayibo mphela mina angifani no Dineo mina, angifani naye, uke wangibona mina ngimuhle kabi, phela uDineo unamazinyo wehash, mina anginawo amazinyo wehash, futhi nje nobuso bakhe ngathi behash. Hayibo Londi wangagcini lapho uLondilanda wakhuluma the way yena angadingi umuntu wesilisa ukuze azotrenda, meaning that uDineo yena udinga indoda ukuze azotrenda. That statement alone. Okay, fine. Siyayibona leyo ukuthi yena akadingi indoda. uDineo yena udinga nje amadoda ukuze azotrenda. Ukhulume the way uDineo ashintsha amadoda ngakhona. Okay, asibeke eceleni leyo sizoyibona later. Asikhulume ngaleyo ukuthi manje wena sozokhuluma ngokuthi omnye umntana ufana nehashi, amazinyo wakhe engathi awehashi nobuso bakhe engathi behashi. Number 1, akazenzanga. Why would you stoop that low kodwa ke ntombo nawe? So logo wakhuluma leyo nto leyo, hayi abantu abaningi nje abamzwisisi uLondilanda. Right, so to such an extent yokuthi makathi nje uyaposta nje into ebheke eceleni nje bayamreminder ukuthi hayibo wesisi ungakhohlwa phela wena unje umuncu kabi, thina sakholwa wena, thina salwela wena ngale ndaba leyana yakho noMini Ntuli, sasithi he uMini Ntuli ucambela manga, kodwa kulokho so uyasibonisa ukuthi uMini kahle wena ikhona into lebo menza yona off camera egcine simphusha ukuthi ayenze lento le ayenzile kuwe. Right, so mina I'm saying makayehle because of number 1, she's a successful business woman. Really, she is. She is doing very, very well. In her recent post, she was even saying Uguti she will be in Maponya and Jabulani Mall, if I'm not mistaken. Ugu promoter ihappy yake, right? And darling, the comments. Let's just read few of those comments. So someone said, "Usile wena ka happy ya ujaheline." And then from there, omunye avela ati, ukhohlakele wena. Omunye ati, I am going back to Darling and 1 million. Omunye ati, was it necessary to mention Dineo Mulwisane? Omunye ati, what were you drinking that day, mama? And then from there, omunye ati, you no longer my crush. The last one says, maybe Mini knew something we didn't. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying uLondi kuyomela ukuthi more than anything acabangele i-brand yakhe, because she is a brand. She has a very successful business and she needs to protect that business of hers, right? She needs to do that for herself, because khona manje abantu abasamboni the way bebambona ngakhona, asaboni loyalondi loyana man one class one nje isithunzi sakhe nje siyehlile ene kakhulu. Well, she made a video lapho khona wayexolisa uNtombo ukhulume the way naye makabukela leya clip leyana akekho proud, right? So uyaxolisa kakhulu ukuthi Newo naye nje akazi ukuthi wayengenwe yini. Sharp. But ke Ntombo izinto zishilo laphayana. There were a lot. So Dineo now decided to respond. Dineo utina, I was just minding my business, mina. Hey, I don't know, she just landed in Dubai or something like that. And before you know it, I don't know if she was landing from Dubai or she was landing in Dubai, or rather she was coming from Dubai. I'm not sure, but there was Dubai mentioned, right? And she was saying that just to give us a background to say that she was just minding her own business, doing her own things. When she's now coming across clips and she's being tagged, ukuthi, you know what, kunomuntu okhuluma ngawe, right? I wa respond again uDineo wakhuluma the way uLondi angamphapheli ngakhona, because uLondi akaze nje wa graduate no graduate ene yena she's a 2 times graduate. So when it comes to amadoda bayafana vele boyithu nje indaba yamadoda bayafana, so angalingi ugele azenze ngcono ngaye. So Dineo decided to respond, and well, in her response, at least yena azange abe personal ngomzimba kaLondi or anything azange, right? So mina I so wish ukuthi okay fine labantu laba bama podcast guys ini ungakhuluma noma yini ngoba vele sengijwayele, kodwa ke not when it comes to ukukhuluma ngomzimba womunye umuntu, like guys, no, physical appearance mayibe off limit, mayibe off topic nje, please. Londi guys, I don't know what you think. Please ngicela ukuthi ningitshele ukuthi nina nicabangani. Nicabanga ukuthi no, uLondi London wayenzwa yile Chilas punch bekayiphuzile, or vele uLondi unjalo? Nina nicabangani? Mina bengithi nje uLondi ngoba mina ngiyamthanda, bengithi nje makayehle kulama podcast azame nje ukuthi, because she's doing very well without ama podcast. She has a business, she's a brand, she has brand deals, none. All of that can literally go down the drain if yena agazikhuzi, if yena nje agayehli kulama podcast. That's it. Guys, if it's your first time, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And of course, do go into the comments section and tell me exactly what do you think. And lastly, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Uyayandlela phayana uyacovoza njena, kuphelile kanjalo njena. Ngiyanthanda sana, ngiyanthanda.